G'day, it's Richie here. Welcome to the third part of my Blackpool Fylde Coast search. Today I'm in Bispham. I'm going to spend the next couple of days here. Hopefully the weather picks up a bit. As you can see, clouds are grey behind me and it's blowing a gale. So let's have a look at what we're going to be looking at.
As the tide goes out, the channels and low-lying areas of the beach become more visible. These areas will be completely exposed at low tide, and heavy items will become trapped in these natural depressions. These rocks have been pushed towards the sea wall, creating a firm area where the objects can collect. Take care not to search too close to the sea wall, as the steel reinforcement within the concrete can interfere with detected signals. The rocks on the beach are well established and have been in place for many years, making the ground hard and compact. Fortunately, most of the finds are usually found close to the surface. However, take care when digging in these areas, as the rocky ground can be difficult to work with.
Oh, that's out. Something's shining at me anyway. Well, that's like a little dog tag with Ella written on it. I say dog tag, it's like a Jewellery dog tag. Yeah. Alright. Right, this is buzzing at around 20s, mid 20s, so see what we've got. You gonna be drunk, is it? No. Well, it's a coin, it looks like, of some type, but can't actually see yet. I'll have to have a look. Is it a coin? Looks like probably a 1p or something like that. Can't actually see anything on it. So I'm gonna break some off and put this away. Yeah, full of black stuff. Have a look. Moisten this up a bit. Try the new bits of kit out. Yeah, this is a home job, this, I think. That's proper on there. Yeah, probably just like a 1p, but obviously you want to get home, double check. Yeah, looking at 50s, 48s, 50s, it's jumping a bit. It's quite deep as well, so it's going to be a bit of a nose to get out of here. So what I'll do, I'll try and dig down and I'll go back to you. A little bit of digging there. It actually wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Some sort of metal rod it looks like, so pretty much snapped to my hands. Well, it's out. Usual bit, 3 big scoops to get it out. Oh, here's a mound. Oh yeah? Oh, here we go. My day is complete. Might as well pack up and go home now. We found it. Go with. Anyway, that's getting dug. Let's have a look. Come on. Got to be out that. Come on. Oh no, I can see it. Better not be what I think it is. Oh, it's not. It is a... Oh God, I'm sliding into the hole there. Some sort of a lid top or something like that. Could have been a bracelet at least. got another nice tone, probably about mid-50s I think. Kept jumping even, but it's just the ground itself. Should be around here. What we're in. Actually got... Where are we at? Where are we at? Can see something. Yeah, 2-2 shell. Or casing should I say. Just like yesterday. And the day before. And last week. And last month. All over the place. Yeah, quick safety point, if you're coming onto the Fylde Coast, just make sure you know where the tide is. Obviously the tide's right out there, what it looks like, but if you just follow it around now, going towards the shore, yeah, channel's off, and it's coming behind me now. Another hour's time, the water will be up to where I am now, it'll be about 2 or 3 foot deep. People get caught all the time on here, mainly people just out sleeping in the deck chairs or whatever. So it's definitely one to look out for. If the tide's coming in, just make sure you know what's behind you. Just stay in one place. That'll do there, that'll do. It's not too deep either. So it says. Digging to Australia. Oh, I can see something digging out. Strongbow can, eh? Got my stepson drinks. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh. Yep, 2-2 case again. I think I'm used to them by now. Let's try this area again. Straight into a rock. Let's make sure I'm getting the right place. Oh, is that some metal I can see there? Yeah, it looks like part of a scooter, maybe. You can see it all in one shot. I'll leave this propped up here, I think. It's quite a small target, that, weirdly, unless it's got some part inside it. Right, looks like it could be that. Let's get down there. Anywhere. What's in here? Oh, another 2-2 case. Yep. These are getting pulled out left, right and Christmas at the moment. Just 2 empty cases. Oh my life. Just like on Fleetwood and Cleveland's, light bulb fitted brass type, looks like. Well, brass lucky likey anyway. Oh well. Shame they weren't gold. yeah, we find a nice little area where we've got lots of items and you want to scour out a bit further. I normally got about 5 meters around it. All I do is just drag my spade behind me. You can see where the trail is and you just know where you've been then. Yep, I had 4 items here, so all I wanted to do was go out about 5 meters each direction. So I'll drag my spade behind me, as you can see, up and down, make sure there's no areas around it, because if you find 1 or 2 items in an area, you might want to just check. It might be like a thick patch of mud, there's rocks underneath. This sort of area. Oh my god. More light bulbs. Day 2 of light bulb finding. Alright, anyway, we move on. Yeah, there's definitely some of there, so let's find out where it is. Smallish target. Let's have a look. Nice soft sand at least. Firm but soft. Could be in that clump. Oh, you better not be. Oh, it's not. But it is metal. I've got no water. Ah. Yeah, it's not a light bulb, but it looks like it might be a part of a light fitting. What is it about light fittings on this coast at the moment? Crazy times. Yep, as I mentioned before about the tide coming around the back here, that's the rock that I was at before, probably about 45 minutes ago. And now you're going to have about 4 foot of water between you and the shore. So just, yep, check round you if you've not been on the beach before, you don't understand the tides. Let me just quickly check something. Oh yeah, get me a pinpointer out. I might have flicked something out on my last dig. No, I think it's... yeah, it's buried, but it's just under the surface, looks like. That should do, yep. Oh, what's this? Yep, fishing weight. Just under the surface. It's been a tough few days and we don't have any real treasures to show for it. The positive side is that we still found plenty of targets. They may not have been everything we were hoping for, but it gave us something to learn from. I've started paying more attention to the detector's tones alongside the VDI readings, and now I'll be including that information in each video's description. The key to this hobby is staying enthusiastic, have a laugh, enjoy the experience and focus on the next signal, because the next dig will be the one. Right then, let's lay out the finds and take a closer look at what we uncovered. Okay, looking at the trail of everything we found this week. Yep, fishing weights. No matter where you go on the Fylde Coast, you're going to find these fishing weights. All different size, shapes. Easy to find. Yep, small little dog tag with Ella written on it. Coins. Yep, a lot of times the coins aren't in good condition. So we've got a penny, 1 pence piece. And then we've got two pences. As you can see by the condition, yeah, they've lost a lot of the metal. And you can just barely make it out that it's a 2 pence piece. These little 2.2 shells here, these empty cases from a 2.2 rifle. Yeah, these are everywhere. As you can see, we've got about 10 there. So each one of these is an individual dig. So it does take some time. These are also popular on the Fylde Coast. Got them in all 3 locations now, like the brass fittings from the light bulbs. New one we've got, reinforced glass. Yeah, looking at a sea glass site, and there's loads of people picking this up. And yeah, it's the first time I've ever seen it on a beach. It's got the metal wire going through it, obviously it gives reinforcement. Part of the lid, I actually thought this was going to be a bracelet. Unlucky enough, it's a part of a lid. The bloody thing we can see here, yeah, that's a dog lead. I always thought, I hope the dog got away, but it was a snap lead, so the person must have just thrown it away. Part of a toy car. And then down here we've got like buttons, pins. It's not a great haul, but then we did find a lot of stuff. Okay, that's the end of Bispham now, so we need to start looking at the next location. Next location is Blackpool. Blackpool's got 3 piers which I'll be looking at. So you've got the North Pier, Central Pier and the South Pier. For decades now we've had millions of people coming to Blackpool, and hopefully we'll have a good haul at each location. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for checking out my videos, and I'll see you next time.